Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Happy 80th birthday! Oh, before anything else, before jowa, study first. We love you!
God bless and enjoy.
Cheers!
Hi, Dances! Ang masasabi ko sa iyo, Dances, sana lagi kang happy, enjoy yung pag-aaral mo, at laging ingatan ang sarili. God bless, be in good health always. Happy birthday!
Hello, Dances. I'm glad you are celebrating your 80th birthday. It is your debut. I'm thanking God that you are with your mommy and your daddy and your brothers and your sister. I am congratulating you because you are almost graduating. And how I wish I am with you together enjoying your party debut celebration. I hope someday magkikita tayo kasi marami na akong utang sa iyo. Babawi ako sa iyo. You are so beautiful because you are a lady now. And maghintay-hintay ka lang dahil babawi ako. Magbabayad ako ng utang ko sa iyo. Bye-bye! Congratulations again. God bless you and your family. Enjoy! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to